Flutter's animation framework gives you many options to animate widgets with ease. And one great choice is the AnimatedBuilder widget. Using an AnimatedBuilder is simple. First, we give it an animation. Here we're using a tween. And this animation cycles through 0 to 360 degrees in radians. Give it a builder that will return the animating widget. Here we're using the rotate transform to create a spin effect. You can give AnimatedBuilder an optional child that exists independently of the animation, allowing AnimatedBuilder to optimize its rendering. And if you're wondering where that animation controller comes from, that's entirely up to you. One recommendation would be to wrap your code in a build function within a stateful widget and manage the controller through the widget's state. For more info on AnimatedBuilder, head on over to flutter.dev.